Hello and welcome back to my channel, From Dust to Shine. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning someone else's house. This house was in great need of some attention and I was expecting for some disorganization, but I was not prepared to do this extreme cleaning. I didn't take with me everything I needed to do a deep clean, but I did what I could with what I had. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to be going back to clean some more and make this home a nice peaceful retreat that you can go and relax at the end of your day. So now let's get to cleaning. I'd like to mention that my daughter and I volunteered to clean this house completely for free. We just wanted to help someone that needed the help, and that's what we did. Slowly we plan on cleaning the whole house. In the kitchen we took over 2.5 hours to clean and we did not finish. Next time I'm going to take everything I need because now I know to what extreme this house needs to be cleaned.
Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars.
My daughter wanted to start by wiping down the refrigerator, and I quickly went through and took out all of the food that had been left out, like the watermelon that was left on the table and any other food that was on the countertops and stove, and I just threw them out.
Nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else.
And this is what the inside of the microwave looked like. To clean it, I used the Comet with bleach and Lysol with bleach. Later you will see me put a mug with water in the microwave for 5 minutes. I wanted the water vapor to help loosen everything that was stuck, but the mug I used had a broken bottom and I did not realize that when I put it in, so all of the water leaked out. But the idea worked because the vapor did help with the removal of everything that was caked on.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game. Just know that I'm with you. Just know that I'm with you through it all. And I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall.
And now on to washing dishes. Like you can see, I had already used some of the Comet on the faucet and sink area to try to remove some of the hard water buildup. I didn't have any vinegar or my razor blade with me to help with the removal, but next time I will be very prepared so that I can leave everything super clean.
Oh,
comment down below and let me know what video you would like to see next. The cleaning of the bathroom, the master bedroom, or the laundry room. Believe me, this whole house needs extreme deep cleaning, so let me know what we should go and clean next.
I'm going out my mind. Give me some directions to get to you. To get to you, ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you. You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind. Yeah, I'm going out of my mind, out of my mind, out of my mind. Yeah, for you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah. Some directions to get to you, to get to you. Ain't gonna waste my time. I know that we got connection. I think about you, for you, my love. You drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
And now on to cleaning the kitchen cabinets. To clean them, I used what was left of my Lysol with bleach, and then I used an empty bottle I found and mixed water and bleach. I sprayed them all down, and then with a brush I scrubbed them. And the last thing I did was just dry them off with a paper towel. So let me know, what is your favorite thing to clean in your kitchen? Mine definitely is cleaning the sink. I find it so calming and relaxing to clean.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, yeah. Just boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending I'm more like this.
Cleaning the sink was definitely my favorite part of cleaning this house. It was so satisfying to see it get clean little by little.
I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad.
This is everything for today's video. I hope it brings you some inspiration and motivation to get up and clean a space in your home or to go and help someone else clean. I'll see you in the next one.
State of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna